Mr. Beast may have just racked up millions of views that he never would have gotten otherwise. And the most intriguing aspect is that he didn't even have to release a new video to do this. The strategy he used to achieve these large increases in viewership was straightforward. And in theory, this method could be used by any channel. Before we uncover how Mr. Beast racked up millions of views, let's try to understand the average lifespan of most of the videos on YouTube. You might be surprised to know that the half-life of a YouTube video is only 6 days. This means that, on average, a YouTube video will receive 50% of its views within the first 6 days of its existence on the site. After 20 days, that video will have received 75% of its views. The lifespan of an average YouTube video has become so short that it's practically stagnant after a month. Like every other video, before the thumbnail upgrade, the graph on the videos for Mr. Beast was pretty steady as well, with well under 1K views per hour. And yes, the strategy he used was to change the thumbnail of the video. After upgrading the thumbnail, the views per hour rose almost by 10 folds. That's generally because the video looks different to viewers, and that's going to change how people interact with it when it's offered in their recommendations. YouTube's algorithm then responds to the change in user behavior. The more users interact with a change made, the more impressions and views it will get. So the question is, should you follow and implement what Mr. Beast did? Before you decide to make any changes, you must answer the following question. Is the video still relevant today as it was the day it was released? Did the video perform well at some point in the time? And finally, does the video meet my current standard for quality? If the answer to all these questions is yes, then you should consider a new thumbnail, but if the answer to any of the questions is no, then you should instead do the following. If the video is no longer relevant today, then you should create a new video with content that is still relevant now. If the video has never performed well in the past, then the problem could be not just a thumbnail but a title or the whole video. If this is the case, then consider creating a new video from scratch. And if the video is not on par with your current standard, then you should create one that meets your current standard for quality. And finally, if the video is still performing well today, then there should be no need to change anything, unless it is absolutely necessary to do so. Thank you for watching. And, if you are planning to change the thumbnail of your video, then do comment below to let us know. And don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.